Hi everyone, welcome back to PRAKASAM tutorials. In this video, I am going to discuss about concept of Python module. And in this here I am going to discuss about how to create our own simple modules and how to import created Python modules. And what is Python module? A module is a simple Python file that contains collection of functions and global variables with having .py extension file. It is an executable file, and to organize all the modules we have the concept called packages in Python. So that is the definition of Python module and Python package. And a module is a file containing Python definition and statements. A module can define functions, classes, and variables. A module can also include runnable code. Grouping related code into a module makes the code easier to understand and use. So example of the Python module. First import the Python module. So now here I will import math module using import function import space math. The math module is imported successfully. So find out the power of the using power method, find out 2 to the power of 4 value. So math dot power of 2 comma 4. So 2 to the power of 4 is 16. So math dot power of 2 comma 4 and its value is 16.0. 16.0 is the floating value. If you want to integer value, so before this math dot power of 2 comma 4 we can use int function. So int of math dot power we get exact integer value. And one more example is using math module math dot square root of math dot square root of 4. So square root of 4 is 2.0, that is the floating point value. So import specific attributes from the modules. Here I am importing specific modules, specific that are square root attribute, factorial attributes from the math module. So that is the meaning of the importing specific attributes from the module. For example, here I am importing some specific attributes. That specific attributes are square root, factorial attributes from the math module. So using the command, from space math importing specific module. For example, here I am importing square root module comma factorial module. So previous only math module is imported using import function. So here I can use math dot power method. Okay, math dot square root value. So now here using importing specific modules from the math module. So now here directly I am writing square root of 4. Square root of 4 is 2.0. 2.0 is the floating value. If you want to integer value, exact integer value, before that function you can use int function square root of 4. Square root of 4 is 2. And similarly find out the factorial value. Print of factorial of 6. So factorial of 6 is 6 into 5 into 4 into 3 into 2 into 1. So print of factorial of 6, 720. So now here in this example and specific attributes are imported from the math module. So the star symbol is used. So instead of the specific attributes, we can use star symbol. The importance of the star symbol with from the import statement is used to import all the names from a module to a current namespace. For example, from space math import. So previous I defined specific attributes, that are square root attribute and factorial attribute. So instead of that specific attributes, now here I will use star symbol. So the importance of the star symbol is used to import all the names, attributes, all the attributes from a module, all the attributes from a math module. So now here, so print of square root of 16. Square root of 16 is 4.0. So print of factorial of 7, 5040. So print of power method, power of 2 comma 4. So power of 2 to the power of 4 is 16. Okay. So now you are importing yes, the importance of the star is all the names from a all the attributes are imported from a math module. So that is the importance of the star symbol. So now I will create our own Python modules. So to create a module, just save the code or the program we want in a file with the file extension .py. So now I will create our own Python module. So create own Python modules. So now here I will use editor window. So go to the file, click on the uh, new file. The untitled editor window will be opened on the screen. So now here we can type the code. Create own module. So for example, uh, using function example def space greeting of name, and the end of the function statement we can use colon operator, press the enter button. So now we are write the body of the statement. So print of inside the single quotation or the double quotation hello, comma name. So this is my program, and first save this program. Go to the file, click on the save button and select your suitable location. Okay, I will save this program in desktop. Okay, select the file name. Okay, file name, and save this program with file name .py extension. So now here my file name is my module, my mod.py. So click on the save button. So my module is successfully saved in desktop. So now we can use this module. What is that module? My mod, importing that my module. So now we can access this module we just created by using the import statement. And now I will open another new file. Go to the file, click on the new file. So now here using the import function, importing the module using import function, import space, and my previous program is, this program is saved in my module, import my module. It's importing that module without .py extension, importing that Python module without .py extension. Press the enter button. So now here my own module is, my mod is the own module. So my mod space greeting. So call the name of the function. Now here the name of the function is greeting. So greeting is the name of the function. Call the name of the function. So that name of the function, now here the inside the parenthesis I will write some matter, some statement, string statement. For example, Prakasam tutorials, and press the enter button. So now save this program. So go to the file, click on the save button, save this file in desktop. So import mod .py, click on the save button, and now run this module. The output will be observed on the Python console. Go to the run, click on the run module. So the resultant output value will be observed on the Python console. So now here the my mod dot greeting, call the name of the function hello name. That name is here inside the parenthesis I defined here, Prakasham tutorial. So hello Prakasham tutorials output will be observed on the Python console. Click on the run module. The output will be observed on the Python console. Hello Prakasham tutorial. So this is the procedure of creating own modules in Python and importing the own modules in Python. Okay. So now here in Python console, I will use one more example, importing the own module. So importing the my module, my module dot. So call the name of the function. So now the name of the function is greetings. So greeting of. So inside the inside the parenthesis, define the name of the function. Now here I will give hello. Okay. That parenthesis is call the name of the function. Inside the parenthesis, write the statement Python. Press the enter button. The output will be observed on the Python console. Hello Python. And one more example, creating the one module. Creating the one module. So now I will close this one and go to the file. Click on the new file. A new editor window, untitled window will be displayed on the screen. Here type the Python code, def space addition of the two numbers and subtraction of the two numbers, def space add function, and then end of the definition, end of the function we can use colon operator. Press the enter button. Return x plus y. So return mean the output value will be displayed on the Python console, and this is the program for addition of two numbers. And similarly write the program subtraction of two numbers, def space subtraction method of. Okay, now here add up, define the formal parameters x comma y. So now here sub of x comma y, call the formal parameters. So is the return function or print function. So print of x minus y, subtraction of the two numbers. Press the enter button. So first save this program. Go to the file, click on the save button. Uh, save this program with file name .py extension. Now here I will give the name create mod create mod.py extension. So this file is saved in desktop. Click on the save button. So my file is successfully saved in desktop. So now importing that create module Python. Go to the file, click on the new file, take the new editor window. So now we are importing that module using import function, import space, and my module name is create mod. So this is my module name, create mod. So the module is imported, and after that now we are write the program code, addition of two values and subtraction of two values using print function. So print of addition value is addition value. So now my module name is create mod dot, and call the name of the function. The name of the function is add up, and define the argument values. So the argument values are add up 4 comma 5, 4 comma 5 or 4 comma 6, and close the bracket. So additional value, my module dot, call the name of the function, inside the parenthesis define the argument values. And use one more print function. So now here subtraction value, so create module. Now here the subtraction, the name of the function is create dot, call the name of the function sub, and subtraction of the two numbers. So define the, call the name of the arguments 9 comma 6. So press the enter button. So now save the program. Go to the file, click on the save button. So give the file name import mod.py, and run this program. Go to the run, click on the run module. The output will be observed on the Python console. The addition of two numbers is 4 plus 6 is 10, and subtraction of two numbers 9 minus 6 is equal to 3. That will be observed on the Python console. Okay. So now here I will use subtract, name of the function subtract, and print subtraction value. So create mod dot subtract 9 comma 10. So the output will be observed on the Python console. Addition of the two numbers is 10, subtraction of the two numbers is 9 minus 6 is equal to 3. So this is the procedure of creating the own modules and importing the modules in Python.